Hello guys, Volt Craze here. Today I'm doing my bike check on my Kink Launch 2012 edition. It's not an original Kink Launch anymore, as you can see. So let's get started. First, I have these stolen Vortex bar ends going on here. Trying to focus. There you go. Got these ODI long neck purple grips. A Diateco, I don't know how to say it. It's a brake lever, Odyssey linear brake line, Shadow Conspiracy Voltus bars, a stock Mission headset came with the bike, stock Mission stem came with the bike. I have a premium Refuse Resist front tire. There's a premium logo. Stock Mission front hub. Alienation front rim. Stock Kink Launch forks with some nice stickers on there. Moving on, I have some, what are these? I think they're stolen cranks. They're so freaking messed up from all the riding I've been doing on those, so you can't even tell. I'm running Odyssey Twisted multicolor pedals. They're pretty nice. They've lasted me for a couple years. Like, I've had these since 2013, I think, and it's 2015 now, so lasted me for a little bit there. They're kind of getting worn down here in the front, but they're okay. I have a Black Ops sprocket right there. I have a stock chain, like this chain. It didn't come with this bike, but it's not a pro chain or anything. I got it from Farm and Home, which is a tool store up in my hometown here. We have an animal seat, animal pivotal. It's not the name of it, but it's a pivotal seat. I got a stock Mission seat clamp here. We can get a shot out there. We have a Black Ops black back hub, and a Wieneman back rib here. For the back tire, we have, oh my, what is this? They gave it to me when I got the rim, so I don't even know what it is. A chain tire or something like that? I don't know. They gave it to me when I got the rim, so I have no idea what I'm running there. For my back tread, I don't know what I'm running. About it though. Let me think of anything I'm missing here. No, that's about it. Alright. Thank you guys for watching. This is my bike. Well, focus. This has been my bike, and I will see you guys later.